Now let's move on to our next slide, which is the challenge corner. Over here, we have a question with our coin. So we all know that a coin has two sides. One is heads, the other is tails. So based on that, we have this question. Now, what does it say? Darsh asks his friend to flip a coin. How many times? 30 times. And he says that if head is coming, Darsh will pay rupee 1 to his friend. But if tails is coming, Darsh will get rupees 2 from his friends. So his friend starts flipping the coin and he flips it 30 times. And at the end, what happens? That neither Darsh has to pay nor he has to take. That is, their amount finally becomes equal. So no one is going to pay or no one is going to get. How is that possible? Let's do it by making this chart. It becomes easier this way. So over here we have written heads, over here tails. Now suppose Darsh's friend flips the coin and heads come. So he flips the coin one time and head comes. It means Darsh will pay rupees 1 to his friend. Suppose now his friend again flips the coin and this time tail comes. So what happens? Darsh will get rupees 2 from his friend. So in total, if his friend has flipped the coins 2 times, Darsh is getting 1 rupee. Now we are seeing that when tail is once and when head is once, the amount is more in tail. So to make heads same as tail so that the end result becomes 0, what do we have to do? Let his friend flip the coin again and suppose head comes. That is, now number of times head has come becomes 2. So what happens? If number of times 2 comes, that is head comes, Darsh has to pay 2 rupees, and if tail has come once, Darsh will get 2 rupees. And the end result becomes 0 because 2 times he is paying and 1 time he is getting. So by this rule, what we see that if his friend is flipping the coin 3 times and heads is coming 2 and tails is coming once, the end result, that is the exchange of hand, becomes 0. So by this method, we understand that the exchange of hand can only be 0 when head comes double the times of tails. Like over here, 2 is double of 1. So head is coming double the times of tails, then our end result becomes 0. Now the total times the coin has been flipped in our example until now is 3 times. But how many times in total they have to flip? 30 times. So 30 is a multiple of 3. What multiple it is? Multiple of 10. So let us multiply this with 10. So 1 into 10 becomes 10 and 2 into 10 becomes 20. So if head comes 20 times and tail comes 10 times, the end result is 0. That is, Darsh has to pay 20 and Darsh will get 20. So ultimately 20 minus 20 becomes 0. So our answer is head should come 20 times, then only the end result would be 0. That is, head should come double the times of tails. This is how this has been done. Because the amount exchanged was double, so the number of times it should be flipped and head should land should also be double of tails. Hope you understood this and enjoyed this addition. Keep learning.